What's up guys, in this video YouTube has a new update that is out already, and this update concerns your YouTube studio. Let's go ahead and click on it. Now if you look up there, you see the plus icon right there beside the bell. Yes, you can now upload videos from your YouTube studio. Yep, straight from your YouTube studio you can go ahead and upload video. So let's go ahead and do that. So go ahead and click on it. Once you click on it, you see it says photo, but for now it seems to be showing my videos instead of pictures, and we have album here. So let's come over to picture, and I'm gonna click this video right here. That's what I want to upload, so I'm just going to click on it. Oh, let me see, is there another one? Nope, not that one. Let's use this video right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on it. Now, after clicking on the video, we're brought to this other page. So right here, you can usually see everything here. It's just the same thing you'll see on your YouTube app itself. So let me go ahead and type in the title. After typing in the title, I'm going to the playlist. I'm going to choose the playlist that I want to add the video to. Okay, so I'm going to choose this one, Games Fair. Now after that, okay, I can notice that my video is on private, so I want people to see it, so I have to remove it from private. So I'm just going to click on it, then put it on public. So right now the video is on public. That means everyone can see it. I mean, yeah, everybody will see it once I upload it, but not yet. Now I noticed one thing, I could not see the tag. There was no icon for tag or anything I can click on to add tag to the video. So I guess I have to do that later on still in YouTube Studio. So right now I'm in comment, and I noticed my comment was switched off, but now it's on. You can see right here. So now my comment is on. So I do advise you to check to make sure that your comment is on, because I noticed it was automatically just off. So now I'm uploading the video. The video is uploading. Well, basically there's not much different from what you usually see when you're uploading the video. It's processed, everything is done, and this is it. So right now I'm going to click on that three dots on the right hand side, that three dots. Now the reason why I want to click that three dot, click on edit, is I want to add a profile picture. Now click on this pen icon. Yep. Okay, so right now I'm going to click on custom thumbnail. I don't want to choose from the video, I want to put my own. So click on that. After clicking on that, I'm just going to come down and just pick one. For example, I've not created the thumbnail yet, so I'm just going to go and pick anyone yet to try it out to see how it will work. Okay, just give it a couple of minutes for it to load, and that is the thumbnail right there, and it has uploaded. So that's how easy you can now upload thumbnail, and you can now upload videos from your YouTube Studio app. Cool, that is really cool. Thanks for watching this video. Go ahead and check out this other video right here. Thanks for watching.